The next war may not begin with gunfire. It may begin with a line of code. Imagine a battlefield where robots move ahead of soldiers. Artificial intelligence predicts enemy attacks, and smart weapons strike with deadly precision. This is not science fiction. This is the future of Army forces, and it is already taking shape. As we move toward 2030, land warfare is changing faster than ever before. Traditional armies built on manpower and firepower are transforming into high-tech forces driven by data, automation, and intelligence systems. Today we explore how future Army forces will operate, fight, and survive in the next generation of warfare. For centuries, ground battles were fought face-to-face, soldiers in trenches, tanks rolling across fields, and victory decided by numbers and endurance. But modern battlefields demand something different. Speed, information, and precision now decide who wins and who loses. In future wars, the army that thinks faster will strike first. Artificial intelligence will play a central role in this transformation. By 2030, AI systems will continuously analyze battlefield data, track enemy movement, predict threats, and assist commanders in real time. These systems will not replace human decision-making, but they will enhance it, allowing officers to react in seconds rather than minutes. Alongside AI, robotic ground forces will become a common sight. Unmanned ground vehicles and robotic units will scout dangerous zones, clear mines, transport supplies, and support frontline troops. Their mission is simple: reduce human casualties and increase operational efficiency. Robots will go where soldiers shouldn't and return with information that saves lives. Weapons themselves are also evolving. Future Army forces will rely on smart weapons, rifles with digital targeting, artillery guided by GPS and sensors, and missile systems capable of striking precise targets with minimal collateral damage. Warfare will become more accurate, more controlled, and more strategic. The future soldier will not fight alone. By 2030, infantry units will be equipped with advanced combat gear, smart helmets displaying real-time maps, enemy positions, and squad locations. Augmented reality, thermal vision, and satellite communication will turn each soldier into a connected node on the battlefield. Exoskeleton technology may further change ground combat, allowing soldiers to carry heavier equipment, move faster, and operate longer with less fatigue. Strength will no longer depend only on muscles, but on technology. However, future wars will not be fought only on land. Cyber warfare will become one of the most dangerous battlegrounds. Disabling enemy communication, navigation systems, and digital infrastructure could decide a war before the first shot is fired. By 2030, cyber units will be as important as infantry battalions. With all this power comes responsibility. The use of AI and autonomous systems raises serious ethical questions. Who is responsible when machines make mistakes? That is why most modern armies agree on one principle: humans must always remain in control of life and death decisions. Today, countries like the United States, China, Russia, Israel, and South Korea are leading the race toward future army forces. But the future will not belong only to the largest armies. Smaller, smarter, and more technologically advanced forces may outperform traditional giants. By 2030, the battlefield will be smarter, faster, and more connected than ever before. Robots will support, AI will guide, smart weapons will strike, but human leadership will still decide the outcome. The future of army forces is not about replacing soldiers. It is about protecting them, empowering them, and redefining how wars are fought. And the question is no longer if this future will arrive, but how ready we are when it does.